me to rock calls on the team and stock tender. My soul says there's been no core stocks that acquire my step friends, including play to sell. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time to light round crypto. Let's start with Jacob in Louisiana. Jacob. Jacob.
How's it going, Jim?
Jacob, I'm doing well. How about you, partner?
Hi, Jim. It's Randy from the small town of Rainier, Washington.
It's Randy! Speak of the devil. What's going on?
Hey, I'm starting to think about opening a position in this company. They started the year at 220, got up to 250. Been dropping like a rock ever since with a PE at 10. What are your thoughts on Cheniere Energy, LNG?
Well, what I want you to do is I want you to own, because they're obviously inclined and done a lot of work, Cheniere Energy Partners with a 6.27% yield. Thank you, Matt Horween, for explaining that one to me. It's cheaper. It's cheap, and you got that yield. I think that's a better play for you. Let's go to Frank in Pennsylvania. Frank.
Hey, Jim. Thank you for taking the call from Beaver Falls. Hey, I'm going to give you a quick shout out. I've been investing in individual stocks 35 years. I've beaten the market the last 11 years consecutive. It can be done. And I am crushing the market.
Frank, I got to tell you, I've had such resistance to my book. People think you can't do it. You just told me you can't.
Oh, hell yeah. Correct. I live in now that
it ain't that hard.
Neighborhood. No, it's not. Yeah, you're the best. And I call in because I listen religiously and watch because I learn about other companies from you, which I wouldn't pick up on my own.
Thank you.
You've also taught me technical factors, which I would never have picked up on my own. Anyhow, I'm calling about pipeline operators, EPD versus ET. They look close, but you tell me.
My favorite in that group, because you know my book, is Enterprise Product Partners. I like EPD. 6.7% yield, growing really, really well, understands natural gas liquids. That's your company. That's the one you want to be in. And thank you for the affirming words versus the resistance that I've gotten from my book about how individuals have a right to be empowered and pick stocks. And I'm tired of it. Tired of people saying, no, they can't. And I know I'm losing, but I'm not done. Let's go to Mike in Kentucky. Mike.
Hey, Jim, great to be here. I acquired LITE from owning JDSU. Is it a real stock? Should I hold it? Should I sell it?
I think it's had such a run. I just can't put I can't say yes to that. Remember, just JDSU meant just don't sell us, and then it became just, well, whatever. But let's just say don't compare the two. This is a better company, but I don't want you to be in it. Now let's go to Paul in Maryland. Paul.
Hi, Jim. I want to ask you about a stock that's down about 20% since August that I own. And I want to know what you think about T-Mobile, TMUS.
T-Mobile's being hurt by the Death Star that's Elon Musk. And I have to tell you, I would be worried too. I think that his satellite gambit can really hurt the margins of T-Mobile. I would love to be able to say, you know what, right here, call shot, but I can't. I have to wait. It has not settled down yet. It's still part of the Musk radiation zone. Let's go to Ken in Texas. Ken.
Jim, I've owned DuPont for 20 years. After the recent spinoff of Quinity and an upcoming reduction in the DuPont dividend, I don't find a reason to stay in DuPont.
You should. Yeah, you are, because Lori Koch is terrific. The properties are really great. Do not sell DuPont. The water business is really great. The materials are really great. You really do not want to sell it. She's doing a fabulous job. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, we all know variety is the spice of life. But is it also the spice of investing? Cramer breaks down the importance of a diverse portfolio. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.